Oh my God! Wow! What to do? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Plus, straight out of Jamaica. Right now we're here with something new. This is not a music video reactions, you understand me? And I know you guys gonna enjoy this because you all know I go crazy when I see the females in these music videos. But someone recommended this to me, and you know we're chilling. We can't post on the main channel, guys. This is your first video. See my face. I have a main channel called tyrekevlogs. 41,000 subscribers. Go subscribe. Subscribe to this channel also. Let's get straight to this video. We have a TikTok bucket challenge right now. We're finna react to these bad females doing what they do. Follow me on Instagram at tyrekevlogs. Get me to 10k followers. Let's get straight to this video right now. If you want a part 2 or another challenge, just let me know what's popping on TikTok. Ready? Let's get straight into this right now. Let's go. Okay, mommy. No, that's her. We gotta go back. I'm sorry. This is like I'm sorry. She, look at her. That's her? What? Do it. Older. What the fuck was that? Oh my gosh. Send your man to somewhere else. We don't want to see your man. Pause. You look like Jake Paul. This motherfucker looks like Jake Paul. I'm sorry. Let go. I was a little worried just now. Like I thought that was a dude. Like I was worried. Like legit. But let go. gonna be a what's up? Okay, show us what's up. Give it now. I knew it. What you got going on for you?
Oh, no.
Bust it.
I know you got it. You got it.
Bust it.
Let's jump it. We like that. Come on, girl. Get dark skin. You got a little something behind there. Hey. Play with her. No? That's what she got. What you got going on? I have never seen a spider girl in my life before. And she made that spider outfit looking good too. No homo, Spider-Man. But she really did something for that. Come on, girl.
Bust it.
Do your thing.
Bust it.
Hey, you too, girl. What you finna do?
Bust it.
Okay, grandma. What is you busting? Nothing.
Is you fucking?
Yeah, you lit. You turn up. Turn up.
Bust it. Is you
Okay.
bust it? Is you fucking? Bust it, is fuck.
Are you on Pampers?
Bust it, bust it. Bust it, bust it.
Whoa! 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 Bomba clat! Whoa! Whoa!
Bust it,
Yeah!
bust it, bust it. Bust it, bust it.
You better turn up.
Bust it, bust it.
Time for me to go, don't it?
There's no way home.
Yeah, I'm gone. But you know what? There may be some better ones. But I'm gone. Let me know if you want some more. Let me know if you want some more because all I do is sit here and react to shit. So let me know what y'all want. Drop them down below in the comment section, y'all. You understand me? Follow me on Instagram at tyrekevlogs. It's on the screen. It's right here. Follow me on Instagram at tyrekevlogs. Yeah. Get me to 10K followers. Comment some more challenges that's really popular on TikTok because I have a TikTok, but I don't really post out there that much. I think it's called Reaction Boss 1. Yeah. So you can go check me on TikTok if you all want to do that. You feel me? Subscribe, like, share, comment. Big up on the bumbo class. Peace out.